How you can add the YouTube subscribe button in your videos using Capcut. In this video I will guide you. If you find this video helpful, please like and share, and also subscribe the channel. So let's get started. First, download the YouTube subscribe button with green background. I have already downloaded the button to save the time. Now open the Capcut mobile app. Click on New Project. Select the video in which you want to add the subscribe button. Now go to that point of the video where you want to add the button. Click on Overlay and then click on Add Overlay. Select the green screen YouTube button. This button has been added here. Now we need to remove the background color. Go to the chroma key in the Remove BG section. Click on chroma key. Now from here adjust the intensity where you feel that green background has been removed completely. After this, click on Tick. From here you can adjust the size and position of the button. Like this. Now I play the video. In this way you can add the subscribe button in your videos.